So this is what we found when we walked into our van to get ready for our trip today. And look at this. I don't know when it fell down. The last time we used the van was like 2.5 months ago. But, oh dang. Let's see what happened. Oh, wait.
There's a
it's
wire
connected.
there. Yes,
Yeah,
of course.
the wire. So there's a clip here, but there's no clip here. So I think this clip is still attached to the panel up there. So this clip was supposed to be attached up here, because we saw a hole up here, but there's no screw. So screw came off. The clip is supposed to be attached up here. There's a hole here without a screw. So that's why it fell down. Okay, so we have to put this clip back up there, and this is how it comes out. Well, we just have to take it off and then mount it back up here.
Mm-hmm.
So you just have to go into your brother's garage and see if you can find a screw that fits here.
So there's a missing screw falling off somewhere.
Somewhere missing in action, but let's hope you can find a screw, honey. Did you find a screw, honey?
You're holding on to it?
Where?
Oh, sorry.
What?
Same color too.
Perfect. So the clip is gonna go this way with the long part over here like this, and it's gonna screw in like this. So let's find. Oh,
Honey, I have one screw. If you drop that, we're screwed.
you know what? My nails are so long. I'm sure I'm gonna drop this short little.
I'll start it off first for you.
Can you just do it?
Okay.
So it's better to wear a headlamp.
I look like a dork.
That's the only way to see, honey.
That's why you're not doing this, huh?
No. Because then it will mess up my hair
In your nails.
and my nails.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay, moment of truth, honey. Just snap it in. Right?
Yeah, okay. Easier said than done here, honey.
I know. That's why I'm not doing it.
Okay. Let's see if I can snap it in, okay? I don't know what I'm doing. It's not snapping in, honey. I can pretend to say that's snapped in, but it's not snapped in. It's being held by something. I'm not sure what.
So you can't snap it in.
Surgery time.
What?
You see how this panel here is loose? So what I'm thinking, we take this metal bracket off. There's only 4 screws. I think if we take this off, this would fall out. There would be more free space for me to clip it on, put it back, and put this in. Should we try it?
I guess, since you said you can't push it back. Okay, so taking the screws out.
The goal here
from
is not
there.
to drop the screw. One screw.
Can you imagine losing these screws and then you? We don't have a shade. We don't have a panel.
Well, we have a panel, but they will be off.
That's what I meant.
Wow.
Oh my God.
See, once we lose this, it's coming off. See, that's why. Ow.
Ow. Honey. Oh my God. Things are falling apart.
Okay. Wait, there's another four. See, this screw, I didn't even screw yet. It just fell off. See?
Oh my God. Why is
Okay.
our van falling apart?
So, you see how this thing is like this? Now I have more room to connect this on because there's a wood piece where the bracket is connected onto this. See right there?
Okay, now you have more space. All right.
There's the wood panel. And that's a bracket that's connected to there. Now I can connect the line back into there and push it back.
Okay, let's try to click it back on again, honey. No.
I don't know why. You hear a click.
Ah.
If I'm able to snap it in.
There you go.
Did you hear that?
Yes. Oh my God. One click. Another click, honey.
Done. Let's see if it works.
Okay.
Go ahead, turn on. You want to turn on? I'll turn
Here,
on.
go ahead. Turn it on.
This is curbside, right?
Huh? That is roadside?
Roadside.
You always get it confused.
Uh-oh, what happened? Some chạy ra.
Oh no. Now we got it in, but then the shade doesn't work. Honey, maybe the wire is loose. When you took it off, you loosened the wire.
No, I could hear it.
Huh?
I could hear it, but it didn't go down. Chết rồi anh ơi. You can hear it nghe nào. See? Tại sao vậy?
Oh no, don't tell me we have to take it down. Honey, maybe check the wires over there.
Huh?
Maybe check the wires, you think?
I could hear clicking, so that means that there's power to it.
You see, honey. Exploration, man.
I see a wire,
Yeah.
an open connection here. That must be it.
We have to go looking for... What are we looking for?
A little clip.
Oh. Okay.
I see the screw.
There is the screw that came off.
But we're missing a clip. That's more important now because
Okay, so what happened now, honey? What did you
it
do?
works now. Watch this, okay? See?
Oh, yes, it works. What did you do?
Okay, so the clip is supposed to go in like this, and
So it
ours
fell
fell
off.
off.
Right.
And so now I looked at the hole, I plugged it in, it didn't work because I put it in the wrong hole. That did not come out right. There's 3 holes and there's 2 wires, so I put it into two holes and it didn't work, so I just switched it around and it worked. So this is the clip we're talking about and the wires here. I put the white onto the outside hole and then purple into the middle one. You see that there's a hole on the right side right there. That's not it. So you just put in these 2 holes and it should work. Now to keep this like this, we need duct tape.
Do we have duct tape?
We always have duct tape. So I duct taped it.
Duct
Let me show
tape
you.
saved the day.
Yeah, basically to hold it in place. The clip on there, so I just push the wires into this top clip here and just duct taped it. A little bit Mickey Mouse, but it works.
Should I try it, honey?
Yes, let's try that.
Oh wait, that's up already. Sorry.
That scared me. It works.
Okay, last step. Let's put the plate back on again.
Wait, that's upside down. Like that. There.
Okay, screw.
What are you doing?
Was it an easy fix?
No.
It was for me. Well, not too bad. It just took some time. It's just that because we were able to finally put the shade back on, and then we found out it didn't work. Well, we should have looked for to make sure all the wires are attached before we put it back on.
Yes.
So
I
that's
agree.
lesson learned. Thanks for watching.